Arr, matey, this here be the Steam Storytime Pirate Edition. Welcome, everyone. My name is Miss Christina with the Wallingford Public Library, and I'm so happy that you have decided to take part in this Steam Storytime Pirates. All right, so I'm first going to read a book, and then I'm going to go over the activities that are in the kits. All right, so our book for today is called Pirate's Perfect Pet by Beth Ferry, illustrated by Matt Myers. All right. Just a bit. Okay. All right, Pirate's Perfect Pet. From the deck of his pirate ship, the Sea Dragon, Captain Crave spied a small blue bottle bobbing among the waves and the sharks. Captain Crave was courageous. He was daring. He was gone. With a flawless dive, he sliced through the water and snagged the cork with his hook. His crew cheered and waved and chanted, "Go, Crave!" and caused quite a commotion, as good pirates should. After taking a bow, Captain Crave uncorked the treasure within. "Dearest Clancy, how's my big brave pirate? Mummy's so proud that you've become a captain of your very own ship. Bravo!" Enclosed is a lovely list I found in Be Your Best Buccaneer magazine. Isn't it tip-top or ship-shape or whatever you swashbucklers say? Try to stay away from sharks, Clancy dear, and remember, Mummy loves you. P.S. There's a little something for your treasure chest. P.P.S. Don't forget to keep your new hook clean. Captain Crave stuffed the letter and the shiny doubloon into his pocket. "Me mum," he said with a shrug, handing the list to his first mate. "Think you're the perfect pirate captain," she read. "Use our handy checklist to be sure. Ship? Check," replied the captain. Courage and daring? Double check. Treasure? Check. Eye patch? Check. Hook? Check it out. Peg leg? On me to-do list. Pet? Pet? That's what it says. Well, shuck me an oyster and set sail for land. We need to find me a pet. The pirates anchored on a sandy beach. They caused quite a commotion, as good pirates should. They set about at once, scooping and digging. Crab? Too cranky. Octopus? Too clingy. Clam? Too quiet. "Drat," said Captain Cave. "There be no perfect pets on the beach. Onward, ho!" The pirates marched onward until they came to a farm. They caused quite a commotion, as all pirates should. Landlubber farm. The crew scurried about, grabbing and herding. Goats? Too nibbly. Pig? Too muddy. Donkey? Too stubborn. Goose? Too bossy. "Drat," said Captain Crave. "There be no perfect pets on the farm. Onward, ho!" The pirates marched onward until they came to a zoo. They caused quite a commotion, as good pirates should. The crew began unlocking and unleashing. Elephant? Too big. Koala? Too cuddly. Lion? Yikes! What's he got now? When the uproar finally died down, Captain Crave said, "Well, I finally got me peg leg." "Check," scribbled the first mate. "Now, if only I could find me pets." The harried zookeeper stuffed the pirates into a trolley and drove directly to Where do you guess now? Where's a good place to find a pet? The Pet Emporium. The pirates crowded eagerly into the shop. There were kittens and bunnies, guppies and puppies, all kinds of cute, cuddly creatures. Shiver me shih tzus, Captain Crave exclaimed. There be piles of pets. Just then, there was a squawk from above. The captain looked up. Splat! What is that? I've been poop-decked, he yelled. The pirates chased the birdie. They raced the birdie. Should we taste the birdie? Give her ear, ordered the captain. He eyed the parrot closely. Ah, he murmured. You're a brave one, I see. Aye, said the parrot. You pooped in me eye. Aye, echoed the parrot, and caused quite a commotion. Aye, agreed the parrot, like a good parrot should. Aye, asked the parrot. And everything would be perfect, the captain mused, if only I could find me a pet. Do you happen to know, in land, sea, or sky, any pirate-worthy pets? The parrot stepped onto Captain Crave's shoulder and nibbled his ear. Aye, said the parrot. Captain Crave flipped his shiny doubloon to the shopkeeper as he thumped out the door. The perfect pirate captain with the perfect parrot pet. Onward, ho! The end. So what a silly book, right? All right, our activities. You will see. So you've got the first instruction, or the first activity is called depth perception. So everyone is going to have a pirate patch, and you'll put this on. There's also a target and some paper clips. Now this is a 2-person activity. So one person will put on the eye patch. The other person will set this target down on the ground, and the target needs to be about 5 feet away from the person wearing the eye patch. And then the person who is not wearing the eye patch stands next to the target and holds out a paper clip over the somewhere near the target. And then the person with the eye patch says their goal is to get the paper clip onto the target. And so the person with the paper clip is going to tell the other person, come forward, backwards, left, right, or this way, that way. And then when they think that the paper clip is going to be over the bullseye, say drop it, and then you see where it lands. And you're going to see how easy or hard it is to do this with only one eye. Because we were designed with 2 eyes, allows us to see how far away or how close things are. And if we only have one eye working, it's a little bit harder. All right, the second activity is called Build a Boat. Now, in a little paper bag, there's going to be 3 corks, a couple rubber bands, a toothpick, and some foam. From the foam, you're going to cut out a little triangle to be the sail. You're going to rubber band these corks together. You thread the toothpick through the sail and stick it in here. And then go put it in like a bowl of water, or maybe when the next time you're taking a bath, you can have it in with a bath with you, and you can experiment with getting the ship to move. All right, you can try blowing it, you can try using the waves, just whatever you think of. Just try it out and try, what if we try this? What if we try that? And then the third activity is called Divvy the Treasure. So pirates, they're looking for treasure, buried treasure, and their treasure chests, but they've got to divide it up fairly equally, right? So you've got one sheet with some pirate characters on it, and you have another sheet with 12 gold coins on it. So go ahead and cut them out, and then you're going to divide up, like if you just had one pirate, how many gold coins would that one pirate get? All right, and then say that pirate had a buddy and they worked together to get the gold coins. Now divide it equally amongst the two. How many does each pirate get? And then so on with 3 pirates and then 4 pirates. So you're practicing some math skills there. All right, as always, I hope you have a really good time with this kit. I love seeing your pictures. And if you have any questions, just give us a call or email me. All right, bye-bye, friends.